Go on then.
Good afternoon. In the workshop this afternoon, we've got a 1923 Royal Enfield 190, which is a side valve 1000cc flat tank motorcycle. We've got it set for starting, so we've got advanced retard in approximately mid position. Our fuel is on, running from a remote tank because we've long time since we've had fuel in this tank. We've preloaded the engine with oil from the pump. We've got a small amount of choke, a small amount of throttle, and we have a starting handle. This starting handle operates by chain directly into the back of the clutch, and by operating the valve lift, I can put some inertia into the flywheel. And it doesn't get better than that.